This is Tecno Pova 6 Neo, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So begin by ensuring that your system is not in the airplane or do not disturb modes, and the easiest way to check that is to swipe downwards from the right half of your status bar to launch the control panel. Here unfold the full list of controls and switch off the airplane mode and or do not disturb modes if they are enabled. So once this is out of the way, you can launch your device's settings, enter the SIM and network settings category, then here select the SIM card you're experiencing those issues with, and try switching off phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. So switch them off and see if the issue persists. And if that didn't help either, I recommend that you take out the SIM card itself and wipe its contact part with a cloth, preferably if the cloth is wiped in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution, or regular ethanol will do the trick. And also on top of that, you can contact your carrier or mobile network provider, since at this point most probably the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.